Okay, now you want to go and clean up the bottom. And I made this to where all you have to do is cut it off of the, there's going to be no trimming involved because we won't be able to trim it because those bowls will be inside of it. So any trimming you do, you want to do it right here on the wheel. Just like that. And you want to make sure to get any of that extra debris out of there. And if something like that comes out, that's pretty cool. You save it over there. You might want to do something with it later. All right. I believe I bumped the bowl while I was doing that, so let's go see if I warped it. No, it's cool. All right. So now that we got that, all we have to do is run our wire through it and attach our bowls.